So my name's Dan Bridgman. I'm from the UK and I head up the operations for the highway asset management as part of the monitoring and surveying business division. So one of our major clients is responsible for the M25 network around London, which is one of the busiest motorways in the world. For that client, we do a whole range of services based off of our 4K video. We have a great catalogue of 4K imagery, and from 4K imagery, we are now looking at using AI to help with our day-to-day operations, one of which is locating cracking and pavement defects, the other of which is locating gantry signs, other assets on the carriageway, so that we can do their assessments much more efficiently and deliver the results in a much more timely manner. So our 4K video and ground penetrating radar allows engineers to make decisions and plan their future works directly from the portal that we create for them. We have a specifically designed survey vehicle with onboard capture electronics that bring in all sorts of data streams, from high precision inertia accurate GPS to wheel encoder to secondary GPS systems, so that we can get real accurate positioning, which is very important to our clients. The benefits of this is it presents the data straight away to the client so that they can clearly see how their road is constructed from top to bottom and make an engineering decision on what they want to do for remedial works. Longevity and safety are a really important factor for our clients, and our surveys help them deal with that. The use of machine learning and artificial intelligence is really going to help provide timely decision making for the client and help us deliver that result quicker.